You're welcome to kindergarten reading class. Today, we want to try to look at how to write some words and how to read them. The word I'm going to be starting with for today. Now, it's a reading class. It's a reading class. So, the word I'll be starting with today is mark, mark, mark. So, if you want to write it, you try to write within the lines. Mark. Then you can go to the next line or you leave a line. Then the next one I want to write is rock, 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 R-O-C-K, rock. Then the next word I want to write here is sand, S-A-N-D, S-A-N-D, sand, sand. And the next word here, I want to write plus, P-L-U-S, plus. So you can learn how to, write within the lines. Then the next one I want to write is well, well. Like you say, I'm feeling well. Then the next word on the right is cell, cell. You know, when you put W-E-L-L as well, when you put S instead of W, that becomes cell. So I'm going to write, like when you sell something. Then the next word I'm going to write here is keg, keg. That's keg. Then the next word I want to write is body, body. Then the next word call, call. And we'll move to the next one. I want to write floor, like the ground floor of your room. Then the next word I want to write is door, D-O-O-R, door. The next one I want to write is food, F-O-O-D, food. The next one I want to write is good, G-O-O-D, good. Then the next one I want to write mood, mood, M-O-O-D. Then we can replace it with L, Luke, Luke, yeah, Luke. Then the next one I want to write hope, H-O P-E. So H, I want to write H very well again. H O P E. I think I can manage that. But it looks like IT, so I better write the H properly. So you cross the H, it's always getting out there. So H O P E, hope. And the next word is, if I remove H, I put R, becomes rope. Yeah, rope. And the next one, if I remove the R, I put C, it becomes cope, cope. And another one I want to write is dove. Yeah, dove. Let me write it here again. Dove. And the next one I want to write, like when you say something is pure, pure, pure. P U R E, pure. You write it R again. P U R E. That's pure. And the next one maybe to lure somebody. Lure. L-U-R-E, lure. Or sure, sure. S-U-R-E. So this is the first set of words, and we could have a quick look at the other kind of words that, we can also try to learn, like the word like maybe turn, T-U-R-N, maybe fine, maybe grow, maybe feel, and I can remove the F and put peel, peeling sound like, peel. Then maybe I have something like, you know, okay, let me change. Maybe I quickly go to the next page and say see, you know, then the next one, greet. To greet somebody, you can say black, yeah, BLACK, black. Then maybe WALL, wall. Maybe this one, work, WORK, work. And win, WIN, win. Then sound, SOUND, sound. Then stand, STAND, stand. Then maybe can look for another word, like three-letter word, fan, FAN, fan. Yeah, BREAD, that's bread, bread. BREAK, that's break, break. WITH, that is with. I'm with somebody, it's with him. Then SHOES, shoes, shoes. We've seen door before, DOOR, door. When something is crawling, so that's crawl, crawl. Then this is RIGHT, right, right. And SUN, that's sun, sun. Then maybe VAN, that's van. Uh, KITE, that's kite, kite. Then TELL, that is tell. FELL, that is fell. HELP, that is help. ONE, that is one. PLATE, that is plate. And maybe this is stop, STOP, stop. Okay, we can quickly read everything, maybe MARK, Mac, ROCK, rock, SAND, sand, PLUS, plus, WELL, well, SELL, cell, KEG, keg, BODY, body, CALL, call, FLOOR, floor, GOOR, door, FOOD, food, GOOD, good, MOOD, mood, LOOK, look, HOPE, hope, ROPE, rope, COPE, cope, DOVE, dove, PURE, pure, LURE, lure, SURE, sure, TURN, turn, FINE, fine, GROW, grow, FEEL, feel, PEEL, peel, like peeling sound, SEE, see, GREET, greet, BLACK, black, WALL, wall, WORK, work, WIN, win, SOUND, sound, STAND, stand, FAN, fan, BREAD, bread, BREAK, break, WITH, with, SHOES, shoes, DOOR, door, CRAWL, crawl, RIGHT, right, SUN, sun, VAN, van, KITE, kite, TELL, tell, FELL, fell, HELP, help, ONE, one, PLATE, plate, and finally STOP, stop. And that is where we'll be writing up for today. So you can subscribe to this channel for more for updates in our future videos. Thank you, and God bless you.